How to complete the whole project with minimum investment cost and reduce the workload of labor. This is a regular production line. Normally 2 lines are needed for complete LED and lens assembly. To help reduce customer investment costs, this video will demonstrate how the entire process can be completed with a single production line. Upgraded Hanwha pick-and-place machine to meet customers' 1.2 meter product assembly. Because the standard version of the pick-and-place machine is not able to assemble 1.2 meters PCB products. Next, we address how to get the machine to pick up the lens and increase the speed of lens assembly. The machine needs to assemble not only LEDs but also lenses. This is because the LEDs can be heated up to 275 degrees, while the lenses can only be heated up to about 100 degrees at most. We let the LEDs be produced first, and then the lenses are assembled again, completing the product into stages. The lens vibration feeder is designed according to the working head spacing of the pick-and-place machine, so that it is possible for the working heads to pick up 5 lenses together at the same time. The 5-channel feeder simultaneously feeds the lenses, which guarantees the speed of the pick-and-place machine and eliminates the waiting time of the machine. The machine is an epoxy resin dispenser machine. By spraying glue onto the PCB, then the pick-and-place machine places the lens. Finally, the glue is cured so that the lens can be glued to the PCB. With these steps, you have successfully manufactured a light bar product, and the TV backlight bar operates in the same way. In order to prevent the machine from getting wet, we vacuum packed the machine. This is a lens vibrating bowl feeder. Thank you for placing your trust in us. Your support means a great deal, and we'll keep working hard to prove your choice was the right one. This one is the customer's freight forwarder's warehouse, and the machine is placed in their warehouse waiting for them to ship it.